nakita ko din eh. Nakita ko din kung ano yung nakukuha niyong fulfillment from it, na I have to be real with myself, na that's a smile that I can never give him, yung ganong klaseng fulfillment from what he does when he helps people and makes changes to make people's lives better. I can never give him that kind of fulfillment, and I think na this is kung ano man yung mga dahilan kung ba't ayaw ko yung politika, wala yun kay Sam. I would not be okay with it unless I truly believe in my heart that his intentions are pure, that his heart is sincere, and he's serious about wanting to make positive changes. And I also believe that he's qualified and knows how to do it. Because he's always been a good leader. He's a good leader for his family, for his companies, all of them. And even if I hate being told what to do, I still trust him to lead me also.
Tapos interview namin siya, tinanong namin siya about wedding plans. Ayaw daw niya hanggat di tapos ang election kasi ayaw daw niyang gamitin niya or mapagbintangan siya, nagagamitin yung kasal niyo sa pagtakbo niya. Anong reaction mo doon?
Well, thank you, Bubu. Thank you.
Ikaw ba ayaw mo pa din?
Ayaw ko.
Ayaw mo pa din ang kasal?
Ever since I was in my teens, parang yung naisip kong perfect age, yung dream age ko to get married was 35. And guess what? I'm 34. So, I mean, I'm not naman saying na, game na, kailangan next year na. No, it's just for me, I feel like I'm not naman in a hurry. I really enjoy yung relationship na meron kami ngayon. Kung paano kami ngayon. Wala akong nararamdaman na may something kulang. Walang kailangan gawin. I just like, I've never been in a kind of relationship that's so mutually supportive, loyal, and wala, ganun. We move like a unit. So I'm very, very grateful for that. And I mean, if it happens, then great. And then if it doesn't happen, also it's okay kasi I don't talaga feel like may nagkukulang sa life.
Pero Rian, how special or how different, not want to compare this relationship with the other relationship you had. Ano yung special o ano yung great about this relationship?
I think we have a very special connection.
In what?
I don't know, our energies are like magnets. Like, we're always looking for each other. We never stop talking to each other about everything. He knows everything about me. And I know everything about him. Kahit yung mga nakakahiyang things, wala talaga kaming tinatago sa isa't isa. And ayun na nga, we're a team eh. We move as one. We support each other completely. He's very supportive about all of the things that I care about, and I'm supportive of all of the things that he cares about. And I want him to have it all, and he wants me to have it all.
Ano yung nakita mo sa
I think it's just at the right timing, divine timing.
ano naman ang feedback ng family mo on him?
We actually, we always laugh about it kasi what do you call this? Para bang yung personality ng family ko is very, very different from Sam's personality. So we always laugh about it. I go, grabe no, tapang ni Sam. There's no one talaga that can tell him like something cannot be done. Or me, I'm not like that. I'm super opposite. Ako yung parang, I say, I'm being realistic. Siya yung nagsasabi sa akin, that's not realistic, that's negative. You're being negative. Na parang parang mahirap yan, huwag na lang kaya. Parang, hindi yata, parang ganon. more on ganun yung boses ko sa utak ko. Yung boses niya sa utak niya is always kaya lahat, let's go for it, ganyan. So, I think it's one of the really positive things na anong tawag dito? Like, he put it in my life. A positive lesson that I've learned from him. And my family sees that. They see that I've become a much more driven, much more positive, much more divinely believing person. Yun.
Yeah,
Sa mga na-experience mo, medyo madrama rin ang buhay mo din talaga, di ba?
Di naman.
Okay, sige.
Parang madali lang naman lahat. Charot. Hindi. Alam niyo, hindi ko talaga maka-quantify kung ano yung pinaka. Parang feeling ko, lahat ng loss, masakit talaga. Any kind of loss in your life, if you lose a person, diba? It's always going to hurt. But also, pain is temporary. I'm not naman afraid of pain. I know naman na if you just keep going, everything happens for a reason. And malalagpasan din. And then you realize the lessons later on kung bakit mo kailangan pagdaanan yon, who you will become because of it.
Lahat doon may natutunan ka, di ba?
Naman.
Oo. May nagsabi na ba sa'yo na do you see yourself magiging first lady ka na dito sa Maynila?
Kung mangyari man, I will be happy about it. Not for myself, not because it's my dream, kasi never ko naman talaga siya naging dream. But I will be happy because I know that it went to the person with a pure heart. And kahit hindi naman ako, ayoko naman sumali sa anything political, I believe that Sam is really doing it for the right reasons and that he wants to make a really big and good difference. So yun, that's why I will be happy.
Rian, if ever, paano ang kaway ng ganun? Paano kumaway pag
Kaway
if ever?
first lady. Kaway first lady.
Yeah!
Pero
Hey!
dito ka ba sa Manila boboto? Dito ka ba sa Manila boboto? Or
Yes.
wala ba? Dito? Okay. So dito ka pala nag-register? Okay. How about you, JC? Ano pwede mo lang ma-share? Pinakamasakit na part o hiwalayan na naranasan mo?
Parang on a high ako. I'm really happy right now. So sa tingin ko yung
Nakalimutan mo yung mga yun.
meron ako selective memory ngayon.
Galing.
Parang hindi ko siya maisip sa ngayon. Pero kung tatanungin mo ako about the movie, kung ano yung masakit doon, parang ako yata yung nagbigay ng sakit sa character ni Rian doon sa movie. Kasi ako yung nagtrabaho abroad, ako yung nag-sacrifice ng oras ko doon para lang magawa ko yung gusto ko. Medyo selfish yun. Kasi iniwan ko yung relationship namin para lang makapag-work ako abroad. So yun yung masakit. So ako yung nanakit.